And Aryan, you?
What, ma'am?
Homework question. Have you done?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then this was the question. That how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? 10 and 250. So in between 10 and 250, we have to find how many multiples are there. It means you have to find n, right? So 10 is divisible by 4 or not? No. Then 11, no. Then which number? 12. After 12, now we will form an AP. So we will write, we have AP. So first number is 12, which is divisible by 4 is 12. Then after 12, 13 divisible? No. 14, no. 15, no. Then 16. Then 17, no, not divisible. 18 is also not divisible. 19, no. Then 20. So if you will observe, then there is a difference of 4 between two numbers, right, Vidam? And 250, is it divisible by 4? 250? No. So just you can check also. 4, 6 are 24, then 10. 4 2 ja 8. Remainder is 2. So now check 248. Now 4 6 are 24 and 8 4 2 ja 8. So 248 is a number which is divisible by 4. So this will be your last. So you will write here 248. Right? Now your first term is, Moksha, tell me the first term. Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the first term and common difference.
First term is 12, ma'am.
Yes, and common difference?
16 minus 12.
16 minus 12, right? So it
Yes,
will be 4. So now nth term is given 248. So we can apply the formula of finding nth term. So an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now value of an is 248. Value of a is 12 plus n minus 1 into. Now solve it quickly, beta. And tell me the value of n. Hurry up, solve this.
Ma'am, n equals to 60.
60?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meher, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Find the value of n, children, and tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children, got? Answer will be 60, 60. See, 248 minus 12 then is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So now subtract 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3 and then 2. Divided by 4 will be equal to n minus 1. Now divided by 4, 4 6 are. It will goes 4 5s are 20. Then 4 9s are 36. Is equal to n minus 1. Then value of n will be 60. Understood, beta? Arya and Meher, Dhairya and Moksha.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I proceed to next question, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
I guess one question I have missed here. Just wait. Next question is determine the AP whose third, oh sorry. For what value of n? The nth term of two APs 63, 65, 61, so on, and 3, 10, it will be 67, not 61. 3, 10, 7 are equal. So you have to find the value of n. So any idea, beta, what we will do here? Moksha, Aryan, Meher, Dhairya, any idea?
Ma'am, first we can assign the first term and difference, no, ma'am.
Yes. After that, see here. Beta, you have to find the value of n for which the nth term of two APs. So from each AP, you will find the nth term and then put them equal, right? So your first AP is solution. Let A and D be the first term and common difference of an AP.
Ma'am, then in
AP
first
is
AP,
63, 65, 67. This AP, right? Let A1 and D1. Okay.
ma'am, in that
So,
first AP and second AP, ma'am, n equals to n, no, ma'am.
n is equal to n. Why?
Ma'am, for whatever value of n, no, ma'am, will both
Yes,
be
we have
equal.
to find n. Yes, in both the APs, the value of n remains the same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now value of A is here 63 and common difference will be 65 minus 63. So it will be 2. Right, beta? Now find the nth term. So what will be your nth term? A1 plus n minus 1 into D1. Now put the value 63 plus n minus 1 into D1 is 2. So you can solve it. 63 plus 2n minus 2. I have multiplied this bracket by 2. Now 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2. Let this be your equation 1. Now from second AP. Take second AP beta. Second AP is 3, 10, 17. So let their first term be A2. Let A2 be A2 be the first term and D2 be the common difference. Okay. So again you will find now find the value of A2. A2 is 10 beta and common difference will be 10 minus 3. Second term minus first term. Second term is 10 and first term is 3. Now value of n. So nth term will be A2 plus n minus 1 into D2. Now put the values 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Now solve. So it will be 3 plus 7n minus 7. So 7n minus. Understood? This thing is clear to all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now according to the question, both nth terms are equal. So you will put them equal to each other. Let it be an1 and this is an2. So 61 plus 2n will be equal to 7n minus 4. Now transpose this here. So 2n minus 7n will be equal to minus 4 minus 61. So minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Then value of n will be 13. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, if in any question, you have to read the question carefully because your solution is hidden in only question. So read the question carefully and write your steps according to the question. What does the question wants? Okay. So kindly note it down it.
Ma'am, can you scroll down, ma'am? Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meher, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, next question is, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So any idea, children? Dharya, Meher, Aryan, Moksha.
No, ma'am.
A3, ma'am, A3 equals to 16, ma'am. Then A7 equals to A5 plus 12, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, then,
Yes, Aryan. Correct.
ma'am, for A7, ma'am, rather than writing A, no, A, ma'am, we can write A3 plus,
A plus 2D, right?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you will write, first of all, let A and D be the first term and common difference. Okay. So now third term is given 16. So third term you can write a plus 2d. Right, children?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
your equation 1. Now read the next statement. The seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. It means the seventh term is 12 more than fifth term. Right? So now put the values. A7 you can write a plus 6d. Then A5 you can write a plus 4d plus 12. Am I correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now AA cancel, then 6d minus 4d will be equal to 12. Then 2d is equal to 12. Then value of d will be 6. So now you can find the value of A. Put value of d in equation 1. Put A plus 12 is equal to 16. Then value of A will be 16 minus 12. Right? Now we have to form an AP. So your AP will be, you will write AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. Right, beta? So A is your 4. Then second term will be A plus 4 plus 6, 10. Then 10 plus 4, 10 plus 6, 16. Then next is 26. Sorry, 22. Right, beta? Then 28. So on. This is your AP. Got it, children? Aryan, Dharya, Moksha, and
Yes,
Meher.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Please solve it.
Done, ma'am.
Very fast, Meher.
Ma'am, actually, I was copying the same time.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. All have written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question is, yes, the sum of the fourth and eighth term see, the sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24, and the sum of the sixth and 10th term of an AP is 44. Find the first three terms of an AP. Sorry. So first of all, you will write, let A and D be the first term and common difference. Now here it is written, fourth and eighth term sum is 24. So we can write it like this now, children. Moksha, Aryan,
Yes,
well,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Now you can write A4 term. 4 term as A plus 3D and 8 term as A plus 7D. We can write like this now. Now AA is 2A.
Yes, ma'am.
7 plus 3 is 10D is equal to 24. Let this be equation be 1. Now, second is 6th and 10th term. So 6th and 10th term sum is 44. Now again, 6th term you can write A plus 5D and 10th term you can write A plus 9D is equal to 44. Now A plus A, 2A, 9 plus 5, 14D is equal to 40. Now you have got two equations in A and D, linear equations. So you can apply elimination method or substitution method as we used in linear equation in two variables, right, beta? So solve it and tell me the values of A and D. And you have to find first three terms of an AP also. Solve it, hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want elimination method to apply here, you can apply, or substitution method, you can choose any one of the method, okay?
Could you slightly scroll up, ma'am? Ma'am,
Children, are you solving?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
could you
the value
slightly
of
scroll
A,
up, ma'am?
ma'am, the value of A is minus 13.
Minus
Minus
13.
13, ma'am. And the other APs are minus 13, minus 8, and minus 3, ma'am.
Okay.
And D is 5.
And what about your AP? You have to find an AP also.
Okay, ma'am.
Only first three terms you have to find. Aryan, have you got Dharya?
I'm still doing.
See, you have these two equations, A2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Now we can subtract them, minus, minus, minus. Then 14D minus 10D, 10D is 4D is equal to 20. Then value of D will be 5. Now put value of D in equation 1. So it will be 2A plus 10D, it means 50 is equal to 24. Then 2A is equal to minus 26. Then value of A will be minus 30. Okay. Then your AP is first 3 terms of an AP. First term will be minus 13, A1, A2, A3. So it will be minus 13. Second will be minus 13 plus 5, minus 8. Then next will be minus 8 plus minus. Right, beta? Aryan, now you have got the solution, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, may I proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See now, next question is, find the 20th term from the last. See, find the 20th term from the last of an AP. So 20th term from, we can reverse this. If you will see, there is a difference of 5, 5, right, beta? So if you observe that you can write this AP is 3, 8, 13. Then you can write 248, then 253. Right, beta? Now reverse this AP. I will tell you both the methods. Now on reversing the AP, because we want from the end. On reversing the AP. So 253 and then 248, then I guess 243, so on. Last term is 3. Now we have to find 20th term. So now your first term is 253, right? And your common difference will be 248 minus 253. It will be minus 5. Am I clear, beta? Or is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now is we have to find 20th term. So 20th term will be equal to A plus 19D, right? So A is 253 plus 19D, D is minus 5. So 253 minus 19 5s are 95. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 14 minus 9 is 5. And here will be 1. So 158. So your 20th term will be 158. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And there is another method also. By the given AP, you can find the first of all value of n. Right? Then you will get the value of n. Then you can find the 20th term, which is end term or mid term. But I guess this is the easy method. So you can just reverse the AP, okay?
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, until when is the class?
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, when will the class end?
12 noon, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Because this thing I have already told you that in today's class, we will complete this exercise 5.2, okay? Then from Monday onwards, we will start sum of n terms.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
guess 2 questions are left only, beta. Then after 2 questions, I will end, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I joined just now, ma'am. So once can you recap?
Abhinav, what was the timing of this class?
Ma'am, I was out.
Hmm?
I was out, ma'am. It was unexpected, actually.
Actually, we were doing rest questions of exercise 5.2. So yesterday I have told you only that in today's class, we will complete our exercise 5.2. Okay. So this question was quite important. It was the different from the others. So find the 20th term from the last. So here last term is written. So in these type of question, what you will do, you will just reverse the AP. So now your last term will be your first term. So 253, then 248, then 243. Now find the values of A, D. Now we have to find 20th term. So 20th term will be A plus 19D.
We know
Put
the
the
D,
values,
right?
will get 158. Okay.
And how did you get the AP in reverse now? Like
AP
248
is
and 240?
given. AP is given, beta. In the question.
Oh, from like 248
Okay.
and 243 are given.
Because there is a difference between 5, 5. Common difference is 5, 5. That's why I have written 248. See, AP is
Okay,
this 3, 8, 13, right?
got it.
Okay. May I proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now see next question. Subbarao started work in 1995 or rupees 5,000. Yes. See, Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. So it's his yearly salary, annual salary, rupees 5,000, and receive an increment of rupees 200 each year. So in which year his income reached 7,000 rupees? So anyone can tell what is the value of A, D, and what is your 7,000?
Ma'am, A equals to rupees 5,000, ma'am.
Yes, because
D,
its annual salary,
And B
starting
is
salary is
200.
rupees
Ma'am,
5,000.
ma'am,
D equals to
7,000.
200, ma'am.
And D is your 200. What is your 7,000? Tell me.
A and
AM.
A and yes, because it is written in which year, it means you have to find N. Income reached 7,000. So it is A. So now apply the formula of AN. AN is A plus N minus 1 into T. Now AN is 7,000. A is your 5,000 plus N minus 1. D is your 200. So now shift this. 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. Now 2,000 divided by 200 is equal to N minus 1. So it will be 10. So value of N minus 1 is equal to 10. Then is equal to 11. It means in 11th year, he will reach 7,000 salary. Right, beta? So please note, then we will proceed to next question.
ma'am, the next question
So
is the
these
last
type of
question.
questions can come in your case base. Okay? Case study question.
Ma'am, that next question is the last question.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Because there are 20 questions. And children, your 5 o'clock, your test will start. So kindly attend your test today itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
And this test only has AP, right?
Yes, beta?
This test only has AP, right?
Yes, yes. And only this exercise 5.2.
No previous chapter.
Not previous chapter, yes. And in coming subjective test also, you will get AP. Because this chapter is quite important and you will see this type of questions in grade 11 also.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question is, done children?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is Ram Kali save ₹5 in the first week of a year and then increase her weekly saving by ₹1.75. So if in the nth week her weekly savings become ₹20.75, 75 paise, then find n. So you can find, try to solve it.
Ma'am, this A equals to 5, ma'am. D equals
Yes.
to
And D is
1.75.
₹1.75.
And A is equal to 20.75.
Yes. So value of A is ₹5 and D is your ₹1.75 and N term is ₹20.75, right? So we have to find N. It is clearly written here in nth week and find N also. Then apply the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? So value of AN is 20.175. A is 5 plus N minus 1 into 1.75. So now subtract 20.75 minus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. So it will be 15.75 is equal to divided by 1.75 is equal to N minus 1. So how many times it will goes?
9, ma'am.
9 times. So N minus 1 will be equal to 9. So value of N is 10. So it means in 10th year, here her savings will be ₹20.75 paise, 20 rupees and 75 paise. Understood, beta?
1 second, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain one second?
Please note it down it. Yes, beta. See, in the question it is given. Then in each, Ramkali saved ₹5 in first week of a year. So in first week of a year, it means the value of A is given 5. And then increased her weekly saving by rupees this. Now she going to increase her savings. So it will be D. Because in each year she will increase this same amount. And then in nth week, her weekly saving will be. So nth week, it means AN is equal to ₹20 and 75 paise. Now apply the formula only. Okay, Abhinav?
Okay.
Now it is
Ma'am.
clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this, those who have not written. Now with this question, we have completed our exercise 5.2. Even each and every question we did in the class, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Completed.
Done,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Meher done. Dharya.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, children, then we will meet you on Monday.
Ma'am, today is MCQ or descriptive test?
Yes, your MCQ test will be there. At 5
ma'am.
o'clock it will start. So kindly
Okay.
attempt your test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you are having any doubt in any question, that option is wrong or whatever it is, then kindly just drop me a message. Okay.
Okay,
Completed,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.